My name is Soham and today I will show you the importance of coordinate geometry. We come across many curves, curved lines, and curved surfaces in our life. But one of the simplest curves is a line. Coordinate geometry helps us understand these curves and can also help us understand the line. Let us draw a coordinate plane which consists of two axes, the y and x. Plotting this line on the graph is simply drawing the line. Now there are a few aspects of this line we need to keep in mind. The slope, the intercepts, and every point on the line. Each point on the line can be defined by the equation y equals mx plus c, where m and c are constants. Let us take the example y equals 3x plus 5. This line means that for any given value of x, to get the value of y, we must multiply x by 3 and then add 5 to the product. That line would look something like this. X equals 0 plus 5, y is 5. Our first point is 0, 5, or x equals 0 and y equals 5. Now we will plot our second point, where x is 1. So x1 times 3 is 3 plus 5 is 8. So if we have x equals 1, on the x, we will move from 0 to 1. The point will be at 1, or x equals 1, comma 8 for y equals 8. Any point in between x equals 1 and x equals 0 will lie on this line. Now, if we extend this line, any point on the line will follow these criteria. For example, the next point, 2, 11. For x equals 2, we multiply 2 by 3, getting 6, and add 5 to it. X is 2, y is 11, or 5 plus 6. Now that we have understood the line and the coordinate plane, let us look to this equation. M is commonly known as the slope. C is commonly known as the y-intercept. The intercept is where a line meets the axis. So the y-intercept is where the line meets the y-axis. To find the y-intercept, x must equal 0. When x equals 0, the mx term is now non-existent and c will equal y, which is why c is known as the y-intercept. To find the x-intercept, however, y will have to equal 0. So we will need to rewrite this equation as mx equals negative c. In this case, our equation would be 3x equals negative 5, or x equals negative 5 over 3. Now, to find the slope of a line, we must find how much the y increases for every 1 increase in x. You can either find that by looking at 2 points on the line or using the formula delta y over delta x equals m. The way we find this is by taking 2 points on the line, subtracting one value of y from the other, and subtracting one value of x from the other. In this case, our 2 points are 1, 8 and 0, 5, which would mean 8 minus 5 over 1 minus 0, which results in 3 over 1, or simply 3. 3 is our slope. Any given point on the line will have to follow this same criteria. For example, if we take the third point, x equals 3, this will equal 9 plus 5, y equals 14, 3 comma 14. This point, which is on the line, will have to match with this criteria.